So let me show you how to find and manage sound settings on the Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. So you want to go into settings, and then under settings, go to sound and touch, tap on that. And then this is where you can basically manage your sound. So you can change your ringtone, you can customize your alarm sound from here, you can change the notification sounds, you can adjust the default media sound, ringtone volume, alarm volume, notification sound volume, and also the sounds from the user interface of Xiaomi Hyper Xiao AI. The AI for this phone, which is from Xiaomi, you can manage it from there. Now, the other thing you can do is enable and disable silent mode from here. Of course, you can also do that from the quick settings panel. You can do that from here, okay? But then the option is still here as well. And then also you can choose whether you want media silenced in silent mode by default. You can enable and disable do not disturb mode, and then you can choose some vibration options from here. But then also you can profile video for incoming calls, so you can set specific videos to be used for the graffiti on your incoming calls. And then you have sound effects where you can adjust, you can enable the sound effects, like you can enable Dolby Atmos, you can switch between that and Xiaomi sound. You have the equalizer, okay, so you can adjust your own EQ settings from here. Then you have the headphone remote buttons. You can assign buttons to do different things on different headphones, and that's basically how to find and manage sound and sound effects on the Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.